Welcome! Today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a Motorola Moto G60S. First step, open a Google application and then you click in the top right corner into your icon of Google account. Click here and then go into settings. Then choose voice option and here we got voice match. Click it and then need click here to turn on Hey Google option. Then click next. I agree. And now we activate our Hey Google option. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.